I made this the other week. I've not made a video of it or anything, but I had this from ages ago on a previous, on the other old channel. I made sculptor mold in order to make this, and I made the roof out of an old hand towel. I asked Cross how you make modular things so you can fit them together, and in order to practice that I made the base, but it does fit together even if my mortar keeps molting. It has lights inside as well. I just wanted to do it for the sake of doing it. But this has given me an idea. Yeah, I should make more of these because, you know, I've got space. So I've had this lying around for ages. It's a scrubbing brush for bath, but for some reason it's made a hole there. So I'm going to turn a bathroom scrubbing brush into a medieval house. Okay, so stage one is a silly thing to make the door the right sort of height for a model to go in. I am going to trim inside here. Let's find a better pair of scissors. Pin some. Hold on. Okay, scissors aren't working. So it's me. If you know me, and some of you do, you'll know what's coming up next. If you don't know me, this could be a bit of a shock. Set fire to it. That worked. I think I might open the door. Yeah, that's a bit burnt. That's a weird smell. Oh, it smells like in like changing rooms. Unless it's hot soap. It turns over like that. Now it looks like that. That's better. Don't do this. Oh, it's gross. Changing room, hot soap, heated soap and sweaty socks. Peculiar. Okay, so we have this thing, which we sanded the middle out of, and we have these, which I was going to put on top, but I think probably best doing that too. So, drill the chimera. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. It's a little bit hectic behind the scenes. That's a lot of dirt. That's going like that. Now I can either do like that, or do I do the angle? It might be a bit too severe. Right, well, it's turned into that. You know, these are the things that we make. We make things just like, oh, it turned into that. So that's stage one. I've now got like 90,000 more pieces of thing to go. Well, this is very definitely influenced by somebody, and so when you go across, I've learned something from you. Not learned uniform tile making. I wouldn't have done this 6 months ago, I don't think. So yeah, if you want to see precision roof making and precision carpentry things, then check out Campaign Terrain, because Cross will sit and make roof tiles all afternoon, so you can just open a box and just have 10,000 of them. You still have more patience than I. I'm just going to get tedious and tiresome too quickly. Tedious and tiresome too quickly. It's 3 o'clock, all the lights are on, so I have to take somebody for a walk in a bit. For the moment, let's get another round going. Get one side done. Okay, thinking he's putting a window across there like that. So I've put that there, that there. Glue it in first. Gonna cut that out. Didn't need that anyway. We want to help you like one short. Right, we have a window. Okay, back to the roundy rounds. So it's got dark. It's now gone 4 o'clock. It's taken an hour to do all these, but nearly there. Going up was better than going round. It is rustic. It is wonky, but it wouldn't be one of my buildings if it wasn't a bit rustic and a bit wonky. Dogs barking. People on roller skates running up and down concrete stairs. So I'm now trying to hurry up because I'm going to take so long. I think it needs a cap, but I think that'll do for now. Okay, we are back and it's another day. And this has been left. And you will notice a stick, a post. I looked at it and went, you know, it looks quite good. I'm quite pleased with it for giving it a toilet brush. And I put the little rod in there to solidify the wall and then looked it through and I thought, it could be a windmill. So there's a rod in there. I forced a bit of wood in there. I've got to glue. I'm just going to... Yeah, that's 1, 2.
Pew, pew, Barney McGrew, Tuffet, Dibble, Grub. Pew, pew, Barney McGrew, Tuffet, Dibble, Grub.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have a broken wood sail. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What I need to do is draw a hole through the centre. This is a problem. It gets at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's like this. And I'm like, nah, I can't be bothered to do anything because it's so dark. That was a firework, it wasn't a bomb going off. Doing more. If this fits, I can turn the light on. There, I can turn the light on. Ta-da! We have light. We can see. That time again. Generous when it comes to Mod Podge. So just slap it all over. What was that? It's an advert for something. I don't remember what. It was a thing for Peter. Peter Drucker. Slap it all over. What was it? It's going to be an English advert, I'm sure.
Pew, pew, Barney McGrew, Tuffet, Dibble, Grub.
Wow, that was dark. The time lapse is really way darker than normal filming aperture. Right, let's get around to painting it in a bit. Not today, probably tomorrow. cells, taking them out. This is just calico, which was part of a template for a waistcoat. You can see it says armhole wrong. When this dries off a bit, I'll cover some more, put some more glue on it to stiffen it. There we go, something out of nothing. End up with a windmill. I changed the sails just because they looked a bit, as wood. A few coffee stirrers and calico, a bit of flocking, and returned a bathroom brush into a windmill. Bad, something silly to do with it. It's been set on the side for like 2 years and I'm just like, why not? Something else to add to the ever-growing collection of random junk that I've made. If you like this, then leave a comment. There's models to be made. There is figures to be put together, figures painted. Just painted a green orc. I've actually painted in green. It was red. I've painted in green. If you follow along, you'll know. If you don't, why you're not following. And yeah, I don't like green. For me to paint that is quite a big thing. An orc and a windmill. So yes, if you like these videos, do give them a thumbs up, share them with other people, and if you want to see more random RPG and story making stuff, I will be back next time with something else. Until then, bye. Okay. What was that? Today is one of those days where I had all the intentions and nothing's really working, and everything I do seems to go wrong. So I can't ever have a moment's peace. Never have peace in this flat. There's always some idiot upstairs banging. Let's hope it recorded this time.